What's up, guys? Kermit and Elise Friends. Hold up. What a fail. Alright. What's up, guys? Kermit and Elise Friends here, and today I'm gonna do the chicken dance. So yeah. So before we do that, I'm gonna give a shout out to MLG Master XXX. So check him out. He does reaction videos, and he has a gaming channel too. And his name is called Corey Gaming. So yeah. Also a shout out to Kermit and the Mario Friends. Yeah. So check these guys out. I will leave it in the link below if you want to check out these three. Alright? So yeah, well, let's dance, guys. Let's dance. I never dance this dance, so yeah, don't judge me. Don't judge me! Ha! Bok, bok, bok. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. Now I'm gonna dance the chicken song. So well, let's do it. Oh, commercial.
The opposite of hitting the snooze bar.
Alright, wrong song, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, dancing, guys. What the heck? Who stopped the song? Who stopped it? Hello? Anyone? Hello? Anyone stop the song? Chicken? Hello? What?